Connect the power cord. Connect the foot switch. The names of the three interfaces are inlet pipe, discharge pipe, and protective gas. Connect the inlet pipe. We recommend distilled water. Turn on the power switch. Press the water inlet switch. The machine will automatically stop water inlet after a period of time. Turn on the emergency stop button. Turn the key to turn on the machine. Click the laser preparation button. There are two buttons inside the machine. The bottom one is the light switch, and the top one is the joystick, which is responsible for convenient adjustment of parameters. After getting acquainted, we can start using